I think I got a scream right, the microphone quite far away. But anyway, quick video. Today we have 3 monitors to unbox, so might as well film it. First one is Aopen Fire Legend 43 XV1C. This is a super wide monitor, 32:9, double 1080p monitor, and then we can see some really simple specs there. So this one will be going on top of the Cooler Master table. If you want to learn more about the table, check out the video at the top right corner. And then second monitor is this Gigabyte M34WQ ultra-wide monitor, 21:9. Some specs. This is 144Hz 2K monitor, so it's 3440 by 2560. Is it? No, 3440 by 1440 pixels in resolution. This monitor has Type-C and also KVM, which is very interesting since nowadays a lot of new monitors are coming in with Thunderbolt support and also KVM at the same time. Maybe we'll talk more about that in another video. And then it has speaker, some gaming feature, blah blah blah, all of those good stuff. And lastly, we have one more monitor there. And this one is having the longest name of all, the AOC C27G2Z27 Curve Gaming Monitor. So, according to AOC's box here, it says it's the G-Line 2nd generation, 1500R curvature. This is 1080p, but the main highlight is the refresh rate. Is the refresh rate here 240Hz?
40.
Did I point wrongly?
240Hz.
Oh, it's there at that corner. Okay, 240Hz. So that is the main highlight of this monitor. Of course, we also review this, and this monitor will be going on to that test bench table. For the ultra-wide, it will be going to my table because I'm using an ultra-wide monitor and my monitor is kind of dying, so might as well use and review at the same time, right? Okay, cables. Very nice of them to have all white cable though. Power cable, DisplayPort cable is all in white. Actually, white DisplayPort cable is very rare.
Super rare.
Very rare. Then base or VESA mount, I don't know. Should be a VESA mount converter. As you can see here, screws into a monitor, screw into your VESA mount. So should be 100x100 to 75x75. Then the base. This is also white color. Hey, I didn't expect this to be a white color monitor though.
I was not expecting white as well.
Then we gonna need a screwdriver, remote control, screwdriver, and also battery. Real standard. I'm gonna leave this here. Neck of the monitor. I like this aesthetic, man. If it's A open, does it mean it's closed? Since A symmetrical means it's not symmetrical. So A open means it's closed. Okay, so now this is open. We are gonna need the circle thing. Is it? Or can we just...
No, I don't.
Oh, we can.
Yeah, we can just go. Wait up. Yeah.
That is good. Toolless installation, is it?
So I think you need to mount the base.
Where's the base? Give me the base. I don't mind if they pre-screw this.
I think it is good so you don't use any plastic bags to keep them, and then you don't lose them. And you make sure they are in the package.
Yeah, the thing I worry the most is the snapping onto the back of the monitor. Because previous Acer monitors, including the one that I'm using, the XV340 CKP, that one I will need to screw this shaft onto the back of the monitor, which I don't like. So this one, if they use the clip, it's real good, like the Dell monitors. By the way, electric screwdriver, this one from Bosch. Link down in the description below. Thank you, Shopee. One thing to highlight, I/O ports, very good placement since they're aiming towards the back perpendicularly, so you can plug in easily. Cable management won't be that nice, but yeah, you got a route here, so you can just go through here. Power port is here. I absolutely don't know why they don't just put it beside so all the cables can be together, but whatever. Okay, next one is the AOC C27G2Z27. Don't ask me why that's the name, but this monitor we're gonna unbox next because my table is gonna need a lot of work. So this one first. Okay, they even tell you how to unbox it, so we'll have to sit on the floor again. Why? Display port, power cable, real simple stuff. Stand, the base. Gonna take this out real quick.
There's red accent.
Very gamer look, right? Black and red.
Oh, so the bottom is metal with a top
Plastic cover for the aesthetics.
for the gunmetal finish.
Open up, monitor here. I want to kind of make a comment. Monitor companies in general, except for Dell, because Dell did a real good job. If you want to do this, give us a slice in the middle here to access directly into the inner parts. So installation is a lot easier. So this one you have to
Lift it up,
make some way, then you can get access to it. Just do it like that. Give us a cut here, then can directly access the middle part.
so screw it. The bottom,
Standard stuff.
toolless.
Toolless for now. Yeah, the entire thing is toolless, correct. So another one, just like the A open just now, all the base arm screws are already mounted. So in case you ever need to use a monitor arm, just take out all these screws, put the arm there, screw it back in. Done. Nice. Okay, lift it up. Done.
I mean, it is pretty easy to lift, even with.
It's a small monitor technically. 27-inch 1080p monitor. They are very lightweight, so no problems handling alone. This is the one that I'm personally gonna use. The Gigabyte M34WQ ultra wide monitor, 3440 by 1440 pixels in resolution, 144Hz. But the special feature is USB Type-C. And one more important feature is KVM. Since a lot of monitors coming with Type-C now, we also come with KVM, which is a good thing to have, but not everyone will need it. It's just good if it's available right away.
Convenient.
Convenient, real convenient. Go, go, go. Okay, done. So starting off, the base, nice and heavy. So ultra-wide monitors will need a much larger base and also heavier, since you know it's wider, ultra-wide. So base here. Why do they call this KVM series?
I have no idea, man. Is it so special that they actually call it KVM?
Technically, yes. KVM by itself with a Type-C and power delivery. Those monitors are expensive. Not those monitors, as in only that KVM module is expensive.
Okay.
So for them to integrate directly into the monitor means increased costs. But funny enough, I would say it's actually worth it. You can save some space on your desk since it's integrated into the monitor, and convenient since everything is controlled by the OSD menu. So yeah, monitors also have USB hubs nowadays, so just plug all your keyboard and mouse into the monitor. Yeah, we'll do full video on KVMs on monitors someday, because it's a topic that I want to explore for quite some time.
Toolless installation.
Yeah, the whole thing is toolless. This is good. Also, kudos to Gigabyte, I think, since this monitor box is wider than an ultra wide, since they put the neck on this side. So also good job because you gave us a slice in the middle so we can directly access the middle. And then Can I do that right now? Yes.
Need some space.
I need to adjust the screw. There we go, the monitor. Oh, this is very broken.
The package is like
Yay, 34-inch flat 144Hz 2K ultra wide display with Type-C and KVM. Yeah, Type-C, come. I should take a look at the ports review.
oh the
You
box is kinda
The ports, you see, is very dense. So we have USB hub here. This is only two types. No, two Type A's, one Type C, double HDMI, one DisplayPort, one Type C, and that's it. One more audio out because this monitor does have a speaker inside, but use it for line out is okay. So you can control your speaker as well through the monitor. Good. And that is it. 3 monitors unboxed. Gigabyte, Open Fire Legend, AOC. Temporary placement, okay? Our studio here got a lot of stuff.
yeah. The AOC will go to that table there,
Yeah,
and the Gigabyte Ultra Wide
goes to my monitor.
to that.
Yeah, this monitor is dying.